Hello everyone, welcome to FM Driving School online driving lessons. If you haven't seen our videos yet, how this works is we're going to have a video clip of someone driving and we're going to go through what a driver should be doing, what he should or she should be looking out for. We're also going to have a part 2 and show you what mistakes that could occur, what are the major faults that could happen. Now let's go straight to the driving. As we're driving 20 miles an hour road, you don't want to be the guy that fails for not seeing the arrow. Remember that, guys. Look here, look, I know the car's in your path, but look, as you get closer, the arrow split up. Make sure you check your right mirror and move to the right side. You do not want to be the guy that says, I fell because I missed the arrow. Just watch out for the zebra crossing, look out for any pedestrians. Now look ahead, plan far ahead. Let me know if you guys can spot anything. You don't really have too long to think. It's this guy in front. So he indicated very close to the turning and then he broke, affecting us. We had to then react to him. We're just going to rewind it and then go through what you should have done. So as we're driving, the first thing is spot the indicator straight away. Like he's indicated, immediately brake a little bit because it's indicated very late. And brake, go down to gear 2 and then we'll stay in gear 2. We keep braking gently. There was no need to go to gear 1 just purely because we didn't slow down enough. So as you can see, other drivers can affect you. You have to be ready to react to other drivers. You can't just be thinking about yourself. There's a roundabout up ahead, we're turning left. I'm just going to freeze it so we can go through the routine of what to do. First thing is check your inside mirror and then the left mirror. So the examiner will look at you to make sure you check your left mirror. Afterwards, indicate left. Try to avoid this cycle lane here. Don't go into the cycle lane. I would probably start braking as soon as I pass a bus stop sign here. So probably just slightly past to start braking, making sure you're in gear 2 when you're turning. And then as you get closer to the roundabout, if it's clear on the right, so look, we avoid the cycle lane. As you get closer, check the right side. Look, there's a cyclist, slow down a little bit more. If it's clear, just carry on driving towards the left. And we're in. Check your mirrors once again, all your mirrors. That's the end of the video, guys, and we kept it short and simple just so you can take the information in. Do watch out for the road markings on the floor and other road users who may drive incorrectly, therefore forcing you to react a lot quicker. Subscribe to our other videos and we're going to have loads more coming out. Watch out for part 2 of this video clip where we go through the major faults. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.